Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection, your ultimate destination for uncovering the hidden stories behind rare and valuable coins. Today, we're talking about the legendary 1995 Italy 500 Lire coin, a coin rumored to be worth an astonishing $70 million. Is this coin really worth that much, or is it just a myth? What makes it so special? And could you have one hiding in your collection? Stay with us for the next 17 minutes as we uncover the fascinating history, rare features, and market value of this iconic coin. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting coin stories and tips on how to identify valuable coins in your collection. Country Italy. Repubblica Italiana 1946. 2001 Currency Italian Lire coin type circulation coins denomination 500 lire year 1995 composition bimetallic bronze center monodal ring edge type reeded and smooth section shape round alignment coin 180 degrees weight G 6.8 diameter mm 25.8 thickness mm 1.8. The 500 lire coin was first introduced in 1982 and continued to be minted until 2001, when Italy transitioned to the euro. It was one of the first bimetallic coins in the world, setting the stage for modern coin designs. The 1995 version, in particular, stands out for its detailed artwork and craftsmanship. The coin features the iconic image of the Renaissance artist and scientist Leonardo da Vinci, symbolizing Italy's rich cultural heritage, that a stylized map of Europe, emphasizing Italy's role in the European Union. The design reflects Italy's pride in its history and its forward-looking vision of Europe. But what makes the 1995 version so unique? Let's find out. While millions of 500 lire coins were minted, the 1995 version has captured the attention of collectors worldwide. Why? Because of its rarity and mint errors. Here are the key factors that make it stand out. The 1995 batch had a relatively low mintage compared to other years. Some 1995 coins have notable errors, such as the center and outer ring are not perfectly aligned. The inscriptions appear twice, creating a blurry effect that off-center strikes. The coin's design is not centered. These errors are not only fascinating, but also make the coin incredibly valuable to collectors. Now, let's address the big question. Is the 1995 Italy 500 lire coin really worth $70 million? This claim has been circulating on the internet for years, fueled by rumors and unverified reports of high-value auctions. While it's true that some rare coins have sold for millions, like the 1794 flowing hair dollar, which sold for over $10 million. There's no concrete evidence of a 500 lire coin fetching such a price. So, where did this claim come from? It likely originated from misleading auction listings or misunderstandings about mint errors and rarity. However, this doesn't mean the coin isn't valuable. Some rare 500 lire coins have sold for thousands of dollars, especially those with unique errors or in pristine condition. An verified $70 million sale. Rare coins can still be worth thousands. You have a 500 lire coin in your collection? Here's how to determine if it's valuable. Use a magnifying glass to check for misaligned rings, double strikes, or off-center designs. Coins in mint condition or uncirculated are worth significantly more than worn coins. Use a magnet. The genuine 500 lire coin has specific magnetic properties due to its bimetallic composition. Look up recent auction listings and coin forums to see what similar coins are selling for. Consult a professional appraiser or numismatist if you think you have a rare coin. Now let's talk numbers. The average market value of a 1995 Italy 500 lire coin ranges from $5 to $500. Depending on its condition and rarity. Rare error coins can fetch thousands of dollars, especially at auctions. If you're a collector, here are some tips. Use coin holders or cases to prevent damage. Follow coin forums and auctions to track market trends. Always verify the authenticity of high-value coins before buying or selling.so. Is the 1995 Italy 500 lire coin worth $70 million? Probably not, but it's still a fascinating piece of history that could be worth a significant amount if it's rare or has mint errors. Do you own one of these coins? Share your story in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection for more exciting coin stories. Until next time, happy collecting